Sarah. I come from Thailand, and today I'm going to talk about my lecture in the topic of the other heart that jacks us. Have you ever been addicted to drunk, alcohol, or gambling? You know this thing can destroy your life. Why is it difficult to cut off this thing from your life? You really want to be free from them, but you can't. Do you know there is the specific force that is dragging you? When students play computer game, they know if they play continually, they will not able to graduate it. But the heart to play is stronger than the heart to stop playing, and the heart to play push them in what they don't like. This my problem is similar to the person who addicted to drunk, alcohol, or gambling, even to the person who commits suicide. Most of people are unable to distinguish which is the thought of their will and which are not. Even though thought is different from the truth, many people just accept them as it is. And when the thought of darkness arises to their heart, many people just accept them without any doubt. That is because they are dragged by the specific force, and this force dominates them. If they closely check their heart, they will able to differentiate between their heart and the truth. If you don't know this thing precisely, you will be deceived by your thoughts and your heart, and you will end up with a miserable life. There is one story about a woman who suffered from a morbid suspicion of her spouse's fidelity. One day, while this woman was cooking in the kitchen, she went into the bedroom and she saw her husband fall asleep on the bed. All of a sudden, she had one thought that her husband spent a night with another woman who stayed in the apartment across the street. She just accepted this thought without any doubt. She started fighting with her husband and her life became miserable. Okay, let's check her heart together. I'm sure that she never wants to fight with her husband. But why does she fight with her husband? Because she accepts the thought that her husband spent a night with another woman, right? This woman has two kinds of thought. Definitely, first thought is from her heart because it's matched to her will. But the second thought is not from her heart because it doesn't match to her will. And where is the thought from? This thought is from the specific force. If she knows this thing, she might not fight with her husband, but unfortunately, she didn't know this thing before. When false things enter to the heart of man or woman, they believe that the thought arises from their own heart. They became dragged by them. There are many people who believe in those thoughts exactly as they are. Even though they make no sense, they fall into misery as a result. Being free from unconfirmed thought alone can prevent a lot of misery from happening. I hope you will be able to understand this thing, and next time I hope I would get a chance to talk about my lecture again. Thank you.